Hi there, my name is KAZi. I am a professional trader and trading Forex binary option for last 12 years successfully. So far I have teach over 7,000 students worldwide and my student understand of the market is far more better than any pro trader. Everyone cannot trade successfully because of their own emotion. But if you follow my tips properly, at least you will not blow your big money in short time. You will find your own style of trading very soon and start profiting from this market. Because learn to trade properly is not a rocket science, but to keep it up consistent success, it is a battle between you and your emotion. Again, I have to say, if you follow my instruction of mastering FXHi5, then you will see your improvement in trading 100% guaranteed. Mastering FXHi5 is a proper chart setup where all the pros and cons ideas can be found under one thing, meaning in this style of chart visualization, your analysis of the market will be far more easier than anyone else. I have developed this setup for my own users. So, as you know, I am a pro trader. Using this means you are already skipped 12 years of time thinking it. So give this a value. So, without wasting time, I will first let you know how to install it and I will go through all the indicators uses. Same time, I will let you know what is what and why we are using it based on market makers. Same time, you will get a good idea of how this market moves and what to do for your trading success. I have kept this tutorial 100% free. That doesn't mean that it don't works. I want to share this free because I want all my previous 7,000 students get a good opportunity to learn Forex safe way. I cannot afford to teach people door to door, but I think it's an easy way to share my education. So let's jump into our next tutorial and we'll see how to set up this indicator, how to download this indicator, all this kind of thing. So see you soon in the next video. KAZi.